Hi, everyone. Welcome to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about something that is essential for cracking IT job interviews and placing yourself in top MNC companies. And guess what? It's not just about programming. There's something crucial that you can't ignore: math. Without a solid understanding of math, you can't go far. You may be able to code, but there's one concept waiting for you: time complexity. If you don't understand math, this concept will hit you hard. So today, I'm going to help you out by understanding some basic math topics that you must know before diving into coding. Let's get started and make sure you grasp these important concepts for data structures and algorithms DSA, as well as for cracking those MNC job interviews. Topic 1, number theory. Let's kick things off with number theory. It's all about understanding the properties and relationships of numbers. Here are some important concepts you should know. 1. Prime numbers. Numbers that are divisible only by 1 and themselves. 2. Greatest common divisor, GCD, the largest number that divides two numbers. 3. Least common multiple, LCM, the smallest number that is divisible by both numbers. 4. Modular arithmetic, working with remainders, used in encryption, hashing, and many algorithms. 5. Divisibility rules. These help in determining whether a number is divisible by another without actually performing the division. Topic 2, linear algebra. Now, let's dive into linear algebra. It's a foundational concept in fields like machine learning, computer graphics, and optimization. Vectors, objects that have both magnitude and direction. 2. Matrices, a 2D array of numbers that can represent systems of linear equations. 3. Matrix multiplication, the operation of multiplying two matrices, which is widely used in graphics and machine learning. 4. Determinants, a scalar value that can help solve systems of equations and find matrix inverses. 5. Eigenvalues and eigenvectors, concepts used in dimensionality reduction, e.g., PCA in machine learning. 6. Linear transformations, functions that map vectors to new vectors, often used in graphics. Topic 3. Permutations and combinations. Now, let's talk about permutations and combinations. These are all about counting and arranging things. Here are the key points. 1. Factorial, the product of all positive integers up to a number. It's used to calculate permutations and combinations. 2. Permutations, arrangements of items where order matters. 3. Combinations, selecting items where order does not matter. 4. Binomial coefficient, the formula to calculate combinations n choose k. 5. Multinomial theorem, a generalization of the binomial theorem for multiple groups. 6. Circular permutations, arrangements of items in a circle where rotations count as the same. Topic 4. Probability and statistics. Let's move on to probability and statistics, concepts that deal with uncertainty and data. Here are the core ideas. 1. Probability, the likelihood of an event happening. 2. Conditional probability, the probability of an event given that another event has occurred. 3. Bayes' theorem, a method to update probabilities with new data. 4. Random variables, variables representing outcomes of random experiments. 5. Probability distributions, functions that describe how likely different outcomes are, e.g., normal binomial distributions. 6. Mean, median, mode, measures of central tendency to describe a data set. Next, let's talk about logarithms, a fundamental concept in algorithm analysis and many other fields. Key concepts include 1. Logarithms, the inverse of exponentiation, very useful in solving equations. 2. Base of logarithms. Common bases are log base 10 and log base 2. 3. Logarithmic functions, functions that involve logarithms, often appearing in time complexity analysis, e.g., O log n stada. 4. Properties of logarithms, including product rule, quotient rule, and power rule. 5. Change of base formula, helps convert logarithms from one base to another. 6. Logarithmic equations, solving equations with logarithms in them. Topic 6. Arithmetics and modulo arithmetic. Finally, let's talk about arithmetics and modulo arithmetic, which form the backbone of many algorithms. Here are the key concepts. So, these are some essential math topics you must understand to excel in DSA and crack those MNC job interviews. Mastering these concepts will not only boost your problem-solving skills, but also help you understand time complexities better